Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'll be doing question 1A right now of the final exam Excel practice. The question says to create a histogram to illustrate the distribution of the variable training hours, and we do have a frequency chart to fill in, along with a place to put the histogram. I already did it, but I'm going to show you the whole process because I couldn't figure out this whole recording thing sooner than that. And that will be the trend for the rest. Questions are done, but I do have to recordings now. So I'll be doing them in a separate sheet and showing you how I got to my answers. So to start off in creating the histogram, what I'll be doing is I will be setting up the frequency chart with the histogram output from data analysis. So you go to data analysis and select histogram. Then you have to select an input range for the piece and then also an output range. The input range, since we are doing variable training hours, is going to be over here. We are going to make sure to mark labels. Our bins are as follows over here. Labels again, we included the label. Our output range will be a new worksheet, and please ensure the chart output is selected so that you can get the histogram. Here is what it presents. This is the frequency 0817-721-1480. And then you'll see those same numbers are here, 0817-721-1480. That's gonna go here. You would just click equals. You would go ahead in here and you would click equals wherever the result was of your frequency table, and so on and so forth. For variable training for the histogram, we do have to make an appropriate label. And so we can mark it as variable training hours. Bins would be hours. And then for the little, to remove the gaps in between as the instructions dictate, you're gonna right click on any of the little series. You're gonna click format data series, and then with series option, you're gonna go to gap width, and you're gonna click get it pull all the way to 0. And that then removes the histogram. You'll find that this frequency table and the histogram bin are what are presented here in the first page and for question 1A for my work. For question 1B, we have to create a pie chart that illustrates the distribution of customers by quality rating, including the category names and percent labels on the slices of the pie chart. So category names and percent labels. So fun fact, if we look here, I don't have category names. I'm gonna learn that real quick and then we're gonna get on how to get that. Let me go to just fix this real quick. See, I did not mess with anything here. As you can see, didn't mess with anything here. Text option. It's not text option, sorry. Here is where I gotta be. You need all my label options. So we're gonna make sure it just has category name and then the percentage, not the value, because it was set to value, but it asked for category names and percent labels. So category name, percent labels, and then show leader lines. So we're gonna leave that there. And that's good. Corrected that. Sorry, now we'll go back to actually making the pie chart in the first place. It also requests a frequency table. The way that I did my frequencies is I went to quality ratings, and we're just gonna we're gonna copy and paste this bit here, down here. And then so you can see what I did. So you're gonna put equal, now if, that's my done. Sorry. Quality rating, going to unselect quality rating. Well, you can, but you don't need to. Want to go over here. We're already at count if. This is our data. It's gonna be if it's excellent. In this case, we're doing excellent. We're gonna do that. There it pops up. If it's good, again, count if. Mess that up. Count if. The range is going to be over here again, quality rating. Count of the quality rating equals, this equals to good. Spell good correctly, don't put boog. And then 4, same thing, equals count if. quality rating equals. I would love it if this would load. That'd be such a wonderful thing if it would just load. We don't want to do that, so we're gonna try again. Equals counts if. I forgot the. Let's see what I did. I just forgot the parentheses. So sorry, not enter, comma, or then you're gonna enter. You're gonna see here. Let me correct this because this is not what that's supposed to be. It's just a quality rating. So as you can see, the frequency chart that I did here matches what's there. Total would be equals sum of all the above cells that we had just did the count if functions for. So you go 75, totals 45, 18, 12, 75, 45, 18, 12, 75, they all match. I'm gonna go ahead and then from this data set, we're going to select this information, insert 2D pie chart. The chart title is going to be, as the question says, customers by quality rating. In here, customers by quality rating. This one has no labels, so we're going to go, we're going to add data labels, more options, label options. Label options, we're going to go to this, we're not gonna have value, we're gonna have percentage and category name. And we're gonna have that there. And that then is the same pie chart that I had here after I corrected it to show the percentages because it was wrong when we started the video. So yeah, that's question 1 done. Question 1A, the frequency table along with the histogram. And then question 1B, again, the frequency table along with the histogram. Thank you. More videos to be created, and I will link them all in the provided spaces. Thank you.